Today we will learn about the prime factorization. We see many things around us, like photo frame, water bottle, pen, etc. They are all made up of different parts. It is the same with numbers. Let us consider number 6. It is formed by the multiplication of 2 and 3. Similarly, if we consider number 10, it is formed by the multiplication of 2 and 5. Such numbers whose multiplication gives the number itself are called the factors of that number. Sometimes we need to break a number to find those numbers whose product is the given number. That is, we need to find out the factors of that number. The method of breaking a number to find the factors is called factorization. Let's factorize the number 40. Can you express 40 as a product of two or more numbers? Try it. Upon trying, you must have understood that 40's factorization can be done in different ways, like 2 multiplied by 20, 4 multiplied by 10, 5 multiplied by 8, etc. What does it tell you? We can say that the factorization of a number can be expressed in different ways. 40 has another interesting factorization, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Can you tell what its speciality is? You got it right. In this factorization, all are prime factors. This way of expressing a number in prime factors is called the prime factorization. Keep in mind that the factorization of a number is to break that number into smaller numbers. On the other hand, the prime factorization of any number is to break the number in prime factors. Now the question is, how to do the prime factorization? Let's learn an interesting way to do it. Let us assume the number as a tree whose prime factorization has to be done. Just like a tree is divided into branches, in the same manner, we will find a pair of factors whose product will be that number. Similarly, just like the branches of the tree are divided into smaller branches and finally into leaves, we will express the factors into smaller factors. At last, we will reach a stage where leaves cannot be further divided. In the same way, we get into this situation by obtaining small factors where we cannot express any of them to smaller factors. At this stage, we get the prime factors of the given number. Isn't it an interesting method? Another way of doing the prime factorization is the division method. Let's understand it. Let's find out prime factors of 40. First of all, draw all images as shown in the screen. The prime factorization of number 40 has to be done, so we will write it in the second column of the top row. Now, we will choose the smallest prime number which completely divides 40. By applying the divisibility rule of 2, 40 can be completely divided by 2. So, we will write 2 in the first column of the first row. On dividing 40 by 2, the result will be 20. We will write it under 40 in the second row. Again, we will find the smallest prime number which completely divides 20. Since 2 completely divide 20, we will write number 2 in the first column of the second row. 10 is the quotient of 20 by 2. So, we will write it in the second column of third row. In the same manner, we will divide 10 by 2 and write 5 in the second column of next row. Then, we will divide 5 by 5. At the end, we get the number 1. All the number of column 1 are the prime factors of 40. Therefore, we will write 40 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Today we have learned the prime factorization. In the next video, we will learn it in a better way with some examples.